Hey everybody, Jack here. I'm a volunteer for Guitars for Vets, and I'm going to hit you with some more arpeggios. This is all basic chords. We're going to do C major, G major, D major, E major. Let me see what I got on my list. C major, G major, D major, A major, E major, D minor, A minor, and E minor. Okay, so everything that we're going over today is going to be in the, you'll have a link that you can click on in the video description below, and you'll be able to download all the charts, and I'm pretty sure you'll find it easy to understand. But let's say we start with C major. We're going to do these in groups of 4, but the feeling is going to be triplets, like ba 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 ba, or 1 2 3 2 2 3. So for C major, let's go like this. Okay, now if we were going to be doing G major, it would be like this. Okay, what's next? D like David major. Now let's do A major. Let's do E major. Okay, and let's start on the minors. So we're going to do D minor, A minor, and E minor. So here's your D minor shape. And E minor. Now these chords kind of like make up a lot of songs that you're going to find available today, and probably a lot of songs that you like will be within these this collection of chords. Now the next thing you can do is, once you get this picking down pat and the changing of your fingers into different shapes, then you can start connecting them. And what I mean by that is, let's say we start on C. This time we're going to start on G, to E minor, to C, to D, back to G. So there's a million different combinations. You could go, let's say, A minor, D, back to A minor, to D, to E, A minor again. You can make up stuff as you go along. Let's say we go from G to C to D. So you can make up stuff as you go along. You could do it in either 2-chord pairs or a trio of chords, or let's say 4 chords like G, A minor, C, D, or G, E minor, C, D. And just pick consistently. Okay, picking wise, if you watch what I'm doing here, I'm going 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, down, 2, 3. I'm changing direction after every, it's on the 4th note. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, all down, and then I'm changing directions to come up, 2, 3, and then back to the downstroke, upstroke, downstroke, upstroke. Now you might be able to come up with a different way that works for you. That's what works for me. Okay, so you could use a bunch of different chords, either in pairs. Let's say just go C to A minor. Okay, I hope that helps you.